Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today we're going to make this homemade mint chocolate chip milkshake. Keep watching, and I'll show you step by step how to make this. The first thing we need to do to make this is start off with a blender. Inside that blender, I'm going to put 3 large scoops of vanilla ice cream. Maybe a partial scoop as well. Then we're going to add 1 cup of whole milk. Next, we have some peppermint extract. You only need a little bit of this because it will add a lot to the flavor. And because it's peppermint, we're going to make it green. And since this is mint chocolate chip, I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate chips to this. You can skip this part if you don't want the chocolate chips. Now I'll just bring out our blender, put on our lid, turn it on, and we just want to blend this until it's all well combined. Take a look. Oh, it smells amazing. Now that our milkshake's done, I'm just going to decorate our glass that we have here. And to do that, I just have some frosting. This isn't homemade, it's just store-bought. And I'm just going to go around the rim of this glass and apply the frosting. Just for about a ½ inch to the rim of this glass. I also have some green sprinkles, and what I need to do is go around that rim with some green sprinkles. Of course, this is all decorative, no big deal if you don't do that. You can skip this step and it still will taste amazing. I am going to add some chocolate syrup inside of the glass and have it go up the side of the glass a bit, just for decorative reasons. Now simply pour in our milkshake into our glass. Add our whipped topping. Some more sprinkles. And of course, our straw. And there you have it, our mint chocolate chip milkshake. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's dig in. Oh, yes, mint chocolate chip. This is the way to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this mint chocolate chip milkshake. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. You'll get new videos all the time. Check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time.